welcome back. It's a beautiful day here in Ohio, 55 degrees on a Sunday. I'm not doing company work, so you know what that means. We're gonna get involved in some drift things. We're on our way out to the SlideShop right now. We're gonna pay Drew a visit, see what we can get ourselves involved in out there. Just made the speedway. Had to pick up a ghost. You know how it goes. These things are fantastic. About to finish our way over to the SlideShop right now. What's going on, everyone? Over here working on Tyler's SR. They just threw the engine back in here. They had the engine harness laid across it, just trying to get it fired up the other day. Just trying to get it routed the proper way, get it cleaned up, make it look a little bit better. Alright, so as I mentioned before, we're going to go ahead and get this wiring cleaned up a little bit better on the SR. Looking at wiring specialties right now, following install diagrams, finding the plugs and whatnot, just because they're not labeled on this particular harness. Go ahead and go through them and label it for them. See if we can get this SR fired up today. It's not going to take too much, I believe. Alright, went through the wiring, got all the connectors in the right spots. Working on getting the intercooler connected right now. See if we can get this thing fired up. Alright, I'm working on getting the downpipe connected right now. This thing does fire up. I do not want it shooting fire at the firewall, so hey, why not?
Is the whole exhaust on? I got a ratchet. It's not like you have to hit it hard. Okay. Maybe we need to fucking...
Problem with that. Gotta have consistent starts. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. It's Saturday, you know what that means. We're gonna pay one of the boys a visit. We're on the way to see Marcus right now on the highway. A couple more minutes, we'll be there. Stay tuned. What's going on, everyone? Just made it to Marcus's house. He's got his G35 in the garage. We're gonna see what we can get involved in on this thing today. He almost lost the motor a few days ago. He's got an aftermarket oil cooler set up on this thing. One of the lines let go, and he had this thing idle out front of his house. Luckily caught it in time before it lost all the oil. I believe it's ready to rip, but we're gonna get a little prep done to this thing while it's still the off season. I believe he's planning on wrapping this thing this year. He's got an old convertible on this side of the garage. I'm sure he's got plans with this. I'm not sure of them at the moment. Not sure we're gonna get ourselves involved in on the car, but stay tuned. All right, I believe we're gonna try to get this aftermarket bucket seat he has mocked up in his car. We're gonna take out the stock seat, see if we can retrofit the slider to the aftermarket bucket seat. It's gonna be a fun time. All right, we just got the seat out of the G. As you can see here, we already went ahead and pulled the bottom section off. We're going to utilize this lower half, as I mentioned before, just for the forward and back slider. About to bring the bucket out here and get mocked up. Alright, we just got the seat out of the G. As you can see here, we already went ahead and pulled the bottom section off. We're going to utilize this lower half, as I mentioned before, just for the forward and back slider. About to bring the bucket out here and get mocked up. Alright, we got this seat Marcus found in World War II. You can tell it's caught fire in many places. Motherfuckers, look at this shit. It's got the bucket sitting on the bracket, as mentioned before. I'm just actually surprised how well this is going to work. Just got some iron on there, some flat iron. It's not going to take too much fab. We're going to get this done. What do you guys say for it?
Big shit.